Hey guys, my name is Anahi and I'm back with another video. And if you're new to this, hello, welcome, and make sure to click that subscribe button. I make a lot of these kind of videos, so if you want to see more of these videos, then click that subscribe button. By the looks of the title, I got it! Yay! I am so excited to open this. I really am. I have been waiting for this, like literally waiting. So if you want to see what I have inside, then keep on watching. So I'm just gonna open it. I don't have a pair of scissors, but I do have a pen. I know what you guys thinking, that's gonna mess up the pen. I got more pens. I have a collection of pens, honestly. Yeah, that's what I collect when I would go to school. I would collect a lot of pens. Weird fact about me. So let's open this up, shall we? So first, it's some slapped on black paper. But I bet a lot of people had to work hard for this. So the first thing I see, is a liquid frost. So this one's in Goddess. Oof, I want to open it already. Let me open it for you guys. By the way, I already did an unboxing video of Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I will make sure to link it up the top, or at the end of the video you'll see the end credit, or I'll link it down in the description. But make sure to check that out. Ooh, look at this beauty. Should I swatch it for you guys, huh? Let me show you how it looks. I put a little bit too much on. I don't have napkins, but oh my god. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Ooh, with a nice tan. This is beautiful. So that liquid highlight is gorgeous, I'm not gonna lie. It is beautiful. Oh my god, I can't wait to use this. I also have, well, if you want to see what else I got in that other mystery box. Oh, next thing I see is a shirt. Oh my god. There's more things. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And this is in size small. They got that right. I am a size small. Oh my god, should I open it for you guys? I will open it for you guys. Oh my god, I can't. I don't want to mess up the bag. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, this is a nice quality shirt. Oh, girl. I love this. I have to see that video, but can't. Oh, I got lip gloss on. It says can't relate. And look at those nails. I love the detailing on the nails. It's like spider webs and a spider. But by the way, I will be doing a spiderweb eyeliner, so if you want to see how I do that, then subscribe, make sure to see that video. It will be coming soon. Let me just fold this up really quick. Really bad at folding right now because it's a tight space, but put it back in the bag. Can't wait to wear this. Or should I just try it on for you guys? I'll just put it on for you guys. I ain't got nothing else to do. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh my god, it is so cute. Ooh, can't relate. So the next thing I see is a liquid lipstick, and this is in Soft Serve. Ooh, let's see. It's like an peachy kind of orange. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's peachy orange. Let me swatch it for you guys. So I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. It says shake. Always shake before you try on his liquid lipsticks. I'll for sure be using a lip liner for this. It is so pretty. Let me just swatch it on here. That is so cute. That is a really cute pink. Nude pink-ish kind of peach. How do you think that would look on me, guys? Comment down below. So this caught my eye right now, and it's wrapped, so I don't know, and it has this little pink sticker, but I'm excited to open this. What is it? Oh, a moment of silence, please. This is amazing. So far, this unboxing is the best unboxing I've ever done. We'll probably get more, but this is my favorite one so far. But oh my goodness, I am so happy. Didn't wrap it up as neat as they did, but it's okay. Another moment of silence, please. I got a lip gloss. And this is in Sky High? No way. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my god, I've been wanting one. It is gorgeous. I saw a little sneak peek right now. It is. Girl. And this packaging. And this packaging. Oh. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Should I swatch it on my lips or on my hand? Or should I do both? I'm gonna swatch it on my lip. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand first. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. That green reflex. Oh, girl. I'm gonna put it on right now. Let me take off the gloss I have right now. Oh my god, it smells good. I love it. By the way, have you guys seen the movie Sky High? If you have, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Sky High was my... But... Next item. It's a summer collection. Is Candy Freeze. Is this cute pink? Oh my goodness. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see the sparkle? I think I need to swatch it for you guys. Do you see that? I think I put that on my lips too right now. Oh my goodness, it is so pretty. Check out the glass. Check out that glass. I don't usually wear pink, guys, but I think I found my... This is gorgeous. This is so cute. This is from his summer collection, I think, from this summer. I think. I'm not sure. But it is called Candy Freeze, and it is so gorgeous. Next item. It's, oh my god, it's a Halloween collection one. It's a mystery frost. I don't know if it means mystery, like it's a mystery kind of highlight, or it's gonna be this color. I don't know. Let's find out. It is his normal pink. I have one of his what? I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Let me make sure I don't have any more glitter, so it could be like a fair shot. And I don't want to mess up the pattern, but oof. Where should I swatch it, guys? Should I swatch it right here? Okay, that black came off, and I don't think it was supposed to come off, so I'm gonna try it again. And I'm gonna go for this side right here. But so far, that highlight is so gorgeous. Even the camera doesn't want to pick up on it. I'll definitely be wearing this. This is gorgeous. Can you guys guess what it is? Can you guys guess? Any guesses? Comment down below. Any guesses what you guys... I almost stabbed myself in the eye. Any guesses what you guys think this is? Alright. You guys had time. Let me open it. I don't want to mess up the packaging, but I have to. My nails are so sharp. My nails are so sharp I could open it with my nails. So y'all ready for this? I'm gonna open it with you guys to see. I don't want to drop it. Oh my goodness. I look ugly, but oh my god. This has been the best unpackaging video I've ever done. Do you guys see this? This unboxing was amazing. I love everything I got here. Every single item I got here I love so much. But oh my god, look this mirror. This is like a bonus. Come on, let me put this back before I break it. Okay, it's been the best unboxing video, like I said. Should I recap? First, the liquid frost, then the lip gloss. Wait, was it first the soft serve? Anyways, I got a liquid lipstick. I got a lip ammo that I have on right now. It is so gorgeous. Sky High, soft serve, and candy freeze. Gorgeous. And the skin frost. Oh, such a pretty highlight is this one right here. It is so gorgeous. Then I got a shirt that I didn't fold pretty well, but it is so pretty. And I got a mini jawbreaker. Also, this hand magic mirror from Jeffree Star was the best that I got today. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, if you're new here, like, subscribe, you know, be part of my family. I don't know what to call you guys. You guys are like my friends, my family. So maybe my shorties, because I am like 4'10", pretty small. So my shorties or my, just let me know down below what you guys think is good for my family. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out the other unboxing video from Jeffree Star. I will link it down, or I have put it on top already. But make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.